show you the quickest trick possible with just the glass and a coin. And also stick around because at the end of the video, I am going to be announcing the winner that won the book. All right, here it is, just the glass and a quarter. Watch. I'm going to make the quarter go right through the glass, just like that. Look at that, right in there. Let me show you one more time. Here we go, watch. 1, 2, 3. It goes right in there, just like that. You want to learn how this is done? Make sure your friends aren't around. Come on, let's go. This is really quick, really easy. You're going to love this. All right, this is really easy. All you need is a glass and also a quarter. What you're going to do is you actually drop your hand really quick and the quarter actually goes into the top of the glass like that. Okay, but you do it so fast. I'm going to just scoop the quarter back like this. Watch. I always count. You don't have to count out loud. You can count 3 in your head. Go 1, 2, 3, and you see, just like that, it goes in there. Let me show it to you. This will be slow motion. Watch. 1, 2. Let me show you this way. Then I'll show you from the back. There you go, a really quick, easy trick. It's kind of a little knack, okay, but you'll get it. Just keep practicing. You want to more or less scoop it. Well, there you go, a very simple, easy to do a magic trick with just a glass and somebody's quarter. Everybody has that at home. Oh man, that was close. Okay, but thank you guys so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed this little short trick I showed you. Just make sure you practice that a few times. And on another note, here is the winner from the last video. There's the name right there. All you have to do is email me. My email will be down in the description, and just give me your address and I will send that book out right to you, okay? And if anybody else wants to purchase a book, it will also be down there too, okay? Well, thanks a lot. God bless you all, and hang in there. This country's going to get through this, all right? Thanks a lot, and I'll see you next time.